I am of the opinion that taxi business म्हणटा तो गोंयकाराच्या हातान उरूंक जाय because it is an ancillary of the tourism business. Tourism stakeholders should be goans and beneficiaries should be goans. पूण जो guest येता, जो visitor गोंयान येता, जो tourist गोंयान येता, आमचे हिंदू भशेन एक आहा अतिथी देव भव. The tourist is God. It should be treated like that. So technological intervention to give them a better deal should be there, otherwise competitively we will lose. We have to think about Goa eventually surviving. Goa has to compete with in Sri Lanka, has to compete with, let us say, Kerala. So we cannot compete if we are going to have the standards which are very obsolete. Modern things have come. गोवा मायल्सूच नाका जाल्यार ताणें नवें एप बेस्ड हें करचें अशें मुख्यमंत्र्याचें सेयींग. Personal opinion is that there should be a win-win situation. Win-win situation for the Goan and win-win situation for the tourist. If the tourist doesn't come, you are killing the golden goose. If you want to keep taking the golden eggs from the goose called tourism, then you have to give them, you have to compete on world standards. Outsiders doing business and you adopting technology. Where is the linkage? Where is the linkage? No. Say outsider doing business, I am saying the benefit should be gone. But that doesn't mean you are not going to take a technological intervention which is going to bring parity in prices. There is a complaint from people that it's not feasible, it's not viable. गोंयान टुरिस्ट येवपाक नाका आनी आमी इतलो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर केला कित्याक? टुरिस्ट चड हाडपाक न्हय. टुरिस्ट चड आयल्यार फायदो कोणाक जातलो? गोंयकाराकूच जातलो मरे. स्टेट बेनिफिट्स, स्टेक होल्डर्स बेनिफीट. टॅक्नॉलॉजी आमकां नाका म्हणलें जाल्यार कशें जातलें?
ना तेंगे कोस्टल बेल्टा तांकां स्टँड दिवचें न्हय म्हणून ते म्हणटा.
ना हांव म्हणटा कितें, तुवें जर एप बेस्ड टॅक्सी इज द फ्युचर म्हणून मुख्यमंत्र्यान स्टेटमेंट केलो. एप बेस्ड टॅक्सी जर तुवें हाडली जाल्यार स्टँड आनी फँड ताजें कितें आहा? तूं एपार मारतलो तो एवेलेबल जातलो. तो स्टँड दिवं नाका, तो खंयच्यानूय येतलो. कितें करतलो तूं ताजें? बरें, आमच्या फातोड्डेकारांक कोस्टल रेंज दितात तुमी टॅक्सी? आमच्या हांगा कितले जाण टॅक्सीवाले तांकां मेळटा थंय हॉटेला कडेन दवरपाक मेळटा? फातोर्डा येवन सगळो धंदो करता. आमी कोणाक हाडयता? तूं भायलो म्हणटात आमी? म्हणना मरे. सो तशें फायनली आमी सगळे गोंयकार न्ही, आमी तें चिंतूंक जाय.